Welcome back to our channel, the hub for all things automotive. Today we're diving into a topic that every car enthusiast and DIY mechanic will love: finding the perfect glue for automotive plastics. We know how crucial it is to pick the right adhesive that can withstand the rigors of your car's environment, from intense heat to constant vibration. So we've tested and handpicked the top 5 glues that promise to keep your plastic components firmly in place. When it comes to reliable adhesives, the name Weld stands tall. Their plastic adhesive and gap filler is a testament to their commitment to quality and efficiency. This product isn't just a glue, it's a powerful bonding agent specifically designed for automotive plastics. What makes it stand out is its dual nature. It's both an adhesive and a gap filler. This means it can handle a variety of tasks, from fixing small cracks to filling significant gaps in your car's plastic components. The design of the Weld plastic adhesive is sleek and user-friendly. It comes in a syringe-like dispenser that allows for precise application, ensuring that you use just the right amount of product without any waste. Moreover, its formula is engineered to be resistant to most automotive chemicals and temperatures, making it an excellent choice for under-the-hood applications. In terms of usability, this product shines. It sets quickly, typically in about 15 minutes, and cures to full strength in just a few hours. This rapid setting time is a boon for those quick fixes and emergency repairs. As for durability, once cured, it forms a bond that is almost stronger than the plastic itself. It can withstand extreme conditions without cracking or weakening, ensuring long-lasting repairs. Sugru Moldable Glue is a game-changer in the world of adhesives, especially for automotive applications. Unlike traditional glues, Sugru offers a unique approach. It's a moldable glue that turns into rubber. This innovative design allows it to be shaped and formed according to the user's needs before it sets, making it incredibly versatile for various automotive plastic repairs. The product's design is simple yet ingenious. It comes in small, easy-to-use packets that contain just the right amount of glue for a single job. Once you open a packet, you're greeted with a putty-like substance that can be molded with your fingers. What makes Sugru particularly special is its flexibility after curing. It turns into a durable rubber that is heat-resistant and waterproof, ideal for both interior and exterior applications in a vehicle. Usability is where Sugru truly shines. It's incredibly user-friendly, even for those who are not professional mechanics. You can shape it to fit any space, fill gaps, or even create custom parts. It bonds well with most automotive plastics and other materials, offering a robust and reliable fix. When it comes to durability, Sugru Moldable Glue holds up remarkably well. After curing for 24 hours, it can withstand temperatures from -50 degrees Celsius to +180 degrees Celsius, making it perfect for under-the-hood applications or repairs on the exterior that are exposed to the elements. Its rubbery nature also means it can absorb vibrations and impacts without losing its bond. Gorilla Super Glue Gel is a name that resonates with strength and reliability, and for a good reason. This super glue gel is specially formulated for automotive plastics, offering a robust and long-lasting bond. What sets it apart is its gel consistency, which prevents it from running and allows for a more controlled application on vertical surfaces or overhead applications. The design of the Gorilla Super Glue Gel is user-centric. The bottle is designed for easy handling and precise application, with a fine nozzle that dispenses just the right amount of gel. Its thick consistency means less mess and more accuracy in application, a feature particularly appreciated when working in tight or hard-to-reach areas in a vehicle. Usability is another strong point of this product. It's incredibly easy to use. Apply a small amount, press the surfaces together, and in just 10 to 45 seconds, it sets, holding the pieces firmly in place. This quick setting time is a significant advantage when you need a fast fix that can withstand the demands of an automotive environment. Durability is, without a doubt, one of the main highlights of Gorilla Super Glue Gel. Once cured, it forms an incredibly strong bond that resists impact, vibration, and temperature changes. This makes it an ideal choice for repairs that need to endure the stresses of driving, like fixing broken plastic tabs or reattaching components. The amazing GOOP 160,012 automotive adhesive is a standout product for anyone looking for an all-purpose adhesive for their car. This adhesive is specifically formulated for automotive repairs, boasting a versatility that makes it suitable for a wide range of applications, from plastic trims to vinyl surfaces. One of the most notable aspects of amazing Dupe is its design. The tube is easy to handle, and the adhesive itself has a consistency that strikes a perfect balance between fluidity and thickness. This makes it easy to apply in both thin layers for small repairs and thicker layers for larger gaps or cracks. Usability is where amazing Dupe really excels. It's straightforward to use, adhering to almost any automotive surface with ease. Once applied, it takes about 24 hours to cure fully, but the wait is worth it. The bond it creates is incredibly strong, flexible, and resistant to heat, which is crucial for any automotive application. Durability is a key feature of the amazing Dupe 160,012 automotive adhesive. Once cured, it forms a permanent bond that is waterproof, heat-resistant, and impervious to chemicals commonly found in the automotive environment. This resilience makes it ideal for both interior and exterior repairs, ensuring that whatever you fix stays fixed. Rhino Glue Gel, especially the heavy-duty 40-gram clear variant, is a powerhouse in the adhesive world. It's a super glue gel that's been formulated to offer exceptional strength and versatility, making it ideal for automotive plastic repairs where a strong, clear bond is needed. The design of Rhino Glue Gel is practical and user-friendly. It comes in a clear, easy-to-squeeze bottle with a precision tip that allows for controlled application, reducing waste and ensuring accuracy. The gel consistency is perfect for vertical applications, as it doesn't drip or run, giving you more control over the repair process. In terms of usability, Rhino Glue Gel is a dream for DIYers and professionals alike. It's straightforward to apply, and its fast-setting formula means you don't have to wait long to see results. In just seconds, it starts to set, creating a bond that is both strong and durable. Durability is where Rhino Glue Gel truly shines. Once it cures, it forms a bond that is nearly unbreakable. It's resistant to heat, cold, and moisture, making it an excellent choice for both interior and exterior repairs on your vehicle. Whether you're fixing a broken plastic part or reattaching a loose trim, this glue won't let you down. And that wraps up our comprehensive guide on the top 5 glues for automotive plastics. We covered everything from moldable glues to super strong adhesives, ensuring that you have the best options for your automotive repair needs. Remember, the right glue can make all the difference in the longevity and effectiveness of your repairs. If you found this video helpful, don't forget to hit the like button and subscribe for more automotive tips and tricks. Until next time, keep those plastics perfectly bonded and your ride smooth.